Welcome everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through a super simple trick that's just been added to Discord's web version on PC. If you want to keep your uploaded images and videos private, hidden from showing up automatically in your chat, this new update gives you the perfect option. It's all about giving you more control over what's visible, and trust me, it's just a few clicks away. First, make sure you're using Discord in your favorite browser. No need to download anything extra. Just open up Discord on your PC and log in as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. See that little gear icon? That's your gateway to all the settings. Click on it and you'll open up the User Settings menu. This is where the magic happens. From here, you'll notice several options, but don't get overwhelmed. We're focusing on one specific feature. Look for the category that says Chat. Click on it and you'll see a bunch of settings related to how your chat behaves. Now, scroll down until you spot the section called Display Images. This is where Discord has added a brand new toggle thanks to the latest update. Under Display Images, you'll find an option labeled When Uploaded Directly to Discord. By default, this is enabled, which means any media you upload will automatically show up as previews in your chat. But if you want to keep things more private, or just want to declutter your conversations, simply disable this option. Flip the switch, and just like that, your images and videos won't display as previews right away. That's it! You've now learned how to hide media when uploading directly to Discord on the web. This is a fantastic way to keep your chats neat and protect your privacy, all without any complicated steps. Remember, you can always toggle this setting back on if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks, especially if you're into tech tutorials and social media hacks. See you in the next video.